Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add video to Wix. It's very easy to do. First go to editor.wix.com and then from your site select plus icon. Then you will see an option video and music. Select it and you will see here video options, many video options. Then select N1, or you can also choose another option from here. Then for example, I'm selecting it. Then you have to adjust this to your site where you will look at it. Then if you will see here a bunch of options. You can edit it from here, and that's it. That's how you can add video to Wix.